Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Click the chart once to select it so Excel shows chart handles. Click the legend once to select the legend for editing. Use 2 clicks on a single legend entry to edit its text directly. If direct editing does not work, right-click the legend entry to open the context menu. Choose Format Legend Entry or select data from that menu to change labels or series. Remember to save your workbook after making label changes to preserve edits. Open Select Data, then click Edit under Legend Entries to change names. Type the new label or select a cell range to link labels. Use cell references like =sheet 1 to link dynamic labels. When you link to cells, the legend updates automatically when cell values change. You can change multiple entries by selecting each legend entry and repeating the edit step. Keep labels short and clear so the chart remains readable at typical sizes. Use Format Legend or Format Legend Entry to change font size and color. Set font properties like 12pt, bold, or color #000000 for clarity. Move or resize the legend using drag handles or the format pane options. For precise placement, use the position settings and nudges with the arrow keys. To maintain accessibility, increase contrast between legend text and chart background. Finally, inspect the chart at print size to ensure legend labels remain legible and aligned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.